Hey guys, welcome back to Marketing Fundas Global. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use translate and read aloud option in MS Word. Well guys, if you have any phrase or any line or any particular content which you want to translate in any other language, whether it is German, Spanish or any other language, you can directly translate that particular content into your desired language in MS Word itself, and this is possible through a specific translate option in MS Word. Then we have read aloud option. So read aloud option is basically read the content for you so that you can understand what the content has been written over there, right? So let me just show you practically that how we can use this option in our MS Word. So guys, as you can see right now, I'm in my MS Word software and this is the dummy content in my MS Word document right now. But I'm gonna show you how you can use the translate option to translate this content into any uh, other desired language, whether it is Chinese, German, Spanish or anything else. So for that you have to go in review tab, right? So when you are in review tab, you'll be able to see language option over here, right? And in language option we do have this translate option. So how to just translate any content? Let's say if I click on this, we do have two options. The first one is translate selection and the second one is translate document. So if you want to translate the whole document, then you have to select this option. Otherwise, if you want to translate any selected part, then you have to use this option. So let me just select one part of my content. Let's say I'm selecting this headline. Now if I click on this translate option and this translate selection option, the translator window will appear in front of me. Now it is getting loaded, and as you can see, the language it has been already detected because this is an auto detected option. If you want, you can change it. Let's say it is detecting a wrong way, although it is very unlikely that it will detect the wrong language. But if this happens, what you have to do, you have to set the exact language what you are using here, right? Once here the language is added, now you have to select the language on which you want to translate the content, right? Now let's say if I want to translate into German language, for that I just have to go here. I've selected German and now it is translated into German, right? And whenever you hover your mouse on the particular word, you'll be able to see the exact meaning of those words. As you can see here, both side in the both windows, the words are getting highlighted, right? So that's how. Then if you want to use any other language, let's say Hindi. So this is the Hindi language, right? Now let's say Hungarian or any other, maybe Indonesian. So tons of options are here. All the major language which is available in the world are available here, right? And this translate is being done by Microsoft itself, Microsoft's translator. It is not Google Translator, it is Microsoft Translator, right? So if you want to cross check that whether the translation is totally correct or not, you can do one thing. You can go to Google as well, Google Translator, and check out the translation. Basically you can cross check that translation, although there is minimal chance that Microsoft Translator will occur some mistake, but yeah, cross check is good. You should check twice so that your content doesn't get wrong, right? Now tons of options are here. Now let's say you want to add this particular content into your document, right? This particular translated content into your document. So for that you just have to click the insert button, and the translated content is been added into your main document, right? Now same goes with the document. Basically the translate document option, if you click here, you can directly, this window will appear again in front of you. Let me just close this, and if you click the translate document window, as you can see here, the same window is appeared. But right now, earlier it was in the option, but right now it is in the this, right? Now again, auto detect option, if you want you can change it. Let's say you have English language, so you can select directly English. You don't have to use auto detect, right? It is totally up to you, but if the tool is recognizing your language wrong, then you should use this. Otherwise you can keep this on auto detect. Then we have that on which language you want to translate. This time I want to translate this into Chinese. So let's say Chinese. Now just hit the translate button, and now the content is being translated, and as you can see, the whole document is being translated into Chinese. Although I don't know how to read Chinese, but yeah, just to show you, right? And the second option which I wanted to tell you is the read aloud option. Let me just go back. Let me do one thing. So as you can see, I have translated back into English language so that we can understand, right? Now again, if I go to review tab, here is the read aloud option. This option is not available in 2016 version or 2013 version. This option is available from 2019 version. So if you have 2019 version or 2023 version, then you'll be able to use this option, right? Now you just have to click on read aloud option, and this kind of option will open in front of you. Let me just click here. Now if I play, is a strong skill to help prove it, right? Now you do have few more options here, like reading speed and the name, basically the voice, right? We do have two voices. The first one is a female voice, and the second one is male voice. If you select this option and if you play video, paste the video embed code, you can type. Now it is into English, oh sorry, male voice. Now if you want to increase the speed of reading, you can do that as well. It is too much, man. Let me just document professional. Again, that's too much. This much fine. Word gives complementary headers, footsteps, covers, and text box coaches. Right? So I hope you understood how you can use this option, read aloud option, and this translate option into your MS Word, right? So if you learned from this video, please hit that subscribe and like button. Also, don't forget to share the video with your needy friends who want to learn MS Word with more efficient and effective way. And with that said, I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.